Hi, my name is Anthony, and I'm Little Monkey 017. I'm going to show you that I made. Here, I'll go get it. Here. Just let me turn it up. Wait. Yeah, it's off. And this is what I'm going to be racing down my driveway. Here, closer look. This, and the front wheel. And I'm going to be riding it. It's going to be with pretend fake cars. Okay, bye. For it. To get aside. Go faster. Hi, my name is Anthony, and you remember me, the person who loves racing this car. Okay, hope you subscribe, and this took me a lot of work. Hit that like button down below. Maybe we can get to 100 subscribers and 100 comments and 100 likes. Bye.